Hello my friends, welcome back to the bench, and today we're going to be testing Zurc Super Chrome, that is with a Z, Zuper Chrome. Zurc paints are from the Philippines, right there, made in the Philippines. Now this is a different type of chrome. This is more like AK's Super Chrome, where it can go over anything. You know, you don't need a black base, you don't need anything. It turns chrome no matter what you paint it over. The setback for the AK was it's not durable at all, and even after time I found it never really fully seems to cure, but it is easy to use. So that is the draw for this one, and it's a big bottle. It's not cheap. Was this 20 bucks? But it's a big bottle. But it seems to be similar to that. Looks like a completely different formula. But yeah, this goes over anything, and I'm going to show that by painting it over white as well as our black, and I'll paint it over a couple of colored Gunpla pieces without putting any kind of a base. It even says on the back it can go over primer. And let's see, for best results, 15 to 20 psi and a 0.3 millimeter needle. So yeah, for that we will use, which I haven't used lately. Let's go back to using my Grex here, and that's a 0.3, and we will set the air compressor at we'll do 18 psi. We'll go between the 15 and the 20, and yeah, that's it. It's a pretty basic test today, guys. It's just this one little bottle. I think I've tested this, I'm not sure, I gotta go back in the archives. This is from Zero Paints, the car company, the car paint company, and they started a Mecha lineup. And this is their chrome for that. So I think I tested that. I gotta look in the archives. If not, we will check that out too. But I ordered this from Australia, and it took about a week and a half to get here. It wasn't too bad. I wanted to test it out. It is a lacquer. You can't miss that. I wanted to try this paint before I ordered a bunch in the lineup, and I think I'm going to order a bunch of their paints. I have not tested any of them. This is the first Zurc paint I've ever had in the room. That's the first one. So anyway, let's head over to the paste spray booth this way, and let's take our Grex with us, and let's see how this chrome looks. Alright guys, make sure you're shaking it right up until the point where you pour it into the gun. It's got a really nice applicator. Let me show you. See that? I like that. It's all, you can see all the chrome is already on it. There we go, straight in. Alright, let's start with the black. Now this actually goes on heavy. It's a totally different process from all clad. However, we're done. That's it. It's on. Look at that. That look great or what? Now watch this. White. No difference. It's a little duller, right? It has a little bit of a dull look to it. Yeah, see it? It's like, what is it? Cloudy, is that the word I'm looking for? And we'll go over it at the bench. Maybe it'll dry a little better. But it still works. It works over white. Now, let me get some clips for these. And we'll do these Gunpla pieces. Here we go. Has that blue, look at that, it's got like a blue shadowy look to it. I kind of like it. Now it's covered. All right, let's try this last piece here. Use my little clips. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's just like the Super Chrome. It just goes on heavy, almost like the Molotov and all those. The Display one. Look at that. I think it's a little more durable than the other one. I have one I sprayed earlier, so we'll see how durable it is. And maybe we'll try and put a clear coat over it. Right? But look at that. It's kind of impressive. I mean, it's like chrome for dummies. Is that what it is? Chrome for idiots. Look at that. Anyway. All right, let's head back to the bench. We'll look at these over, and then maybe I'll put some clear coat on and see what happens then. All right, here we are back at the bench. Here they are. And it's nice. I mean, look at it. It's really nice. You can almost see me. The camera's blocking me. Look at that. Now here it is over the white. Like I said, it has a little bit more of a cloudy look to it, but in person, it doesn't look as cloudy as it does on the camera. But still, it works. It works over any color. This is over a flat black spoon that I have. See, this is a shinier. Look at that. Oh, here's the piece. Now, the Gunpla piece was this dark blue color. Check that out. Where's the other one? It's over here. There we go. Look at that. It's even. It's smooth. Look at that. It's pretty impressive. It's pretty impressive. Let's see. Here's one that I did earlier in the week. I left that exposed so you could see. And here it is over the same black spoon. It's fairly durable. It's more durable than the AK one for sure. But it's only so... It can only take so much. But I think this will take kind of a beating. Because I've been snapping it every time I walk by it to give it a little bit of a beat up there. And it's hanging in there. But I'm thinking that we're going to put some coating on it. So let's go ahead. I have this from E7. This is chrome sealer. And maybe on one of these other ones we'll put diamond clear. I let my friend borrow my 2K, but we'll use this diamond clear, this KBS. So we'll put that on one, and then we'll put this E7 chrome sealer on the other. These have been dried for a while, so we'll use these as the test. So yeah, let's head back to the booth and let's see what happens when you put a clear on them. Personally, I know what's going to happen. Happens to all of them. They don't look great, but I think this is durable just enough that you could probably pose your kits and not worry about it. And yeah, I think it's pretty good. Anyway, let's head back to the booth and let's see what happens when we put some clear on these. Alright, first up is the diamond clear. Let's use this as a test. This is a SMS Pearl Purple Grape. There we go. Ah, look at that. Alright, here we go. Nah, that's gone. That didn't work. Alright, let's try this one. Let me pause it and clean this out and try that. Alright, next up is the chrome sealer from E7. You can tell I have a bit of a cold, right guys? Alright, here we go. Nope, did the same thing as the other one. Not good. Let's see what it looks like on this purple piece. Yeah, I mean it's a clear, but it really affects the chrome boy a lot. So yeah, not good. Anyway, we'll be back at the bench and we'll wrap this up. Alright guys, here we are back at the bench, and sorry about my cold. I'm on the tail end of it, so I I wanted to get this video up, so I'm pushing through. Anyway, it did not like being clear coated at all. So yeah, I would let it go. I would leave it alone. And here is the chrome sealer, which didn't do anything. Actually made it look like a nice silver. Huh? Well, look good over this. Look at it over the SMS grape purple. Look at that. But no, it does not like going over chrome. But I do like this chrome paint. It's easy to use. It seems fairly durable. I do like it. I got mine in Australia. I'll put a link to the guys I got it from. And I guess it's readily available in the Philippines or Malaysia, where a lot of guys use it out there. And people talked about it for quite a while for me to try, and I finally was able to get some. And you can see it really is a good product. Real good product. I'm impressed. So yeah, so that's it. You're not getting a giant bottle, but it goes on in one coat. So, well, there you go. Anyway, guys, that is the video. And that was it. A short and sweet one. Please like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I have a lot more tests to go. I'm going to be trying this all-clad. It's chrome for Lexan, but I'm going to see how it works just going over plastic. So, yeah. More chrome to try, right? More chrome. This is real easy, too. It's in the spray can. So, the only one I have like that is Spastics. And, yeah, I have a surprise coming up next week, too. I have another spray booth coming in, a new waterfall spray booth. And it's one of two. I'm pretty excited for this one. And it's a complete redesign, and it looks fantastic. And I'll give you guys a preview if that shows up tomorrow. So I'm excited for that. And hopefully this cold goes away. So pushing through for that too. Anyway, guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Grab some of this chrome, as I think it's actually worth it. Anyway, guys, have a great rest of your weekend. We'll see you next week. Have a great day.